Hello. In this video, I'll be demonstrating you on how to configure the navigation in the modern UI. So let's dive into the demo. So I have a modern communication site open. Now this will work either in a modern communication site or a team site or a modern team site. So if you look at previously, we could only configure the navigations only, only horizontally. Whereas now, if you look at it, I have something like this. If you look at this, hey, I can see level one is Azure, level two is Azure PaaS, Azure IaaS, and Azure SaaS, and level three is actually, the sublinks below it. Now, previously, we didn't have this option. This was newly released by the product team. So we will go into how do you edit it. Now, to edit or to add a link or, and how do you promote, it's very easy. Just click on the edit out here. So once you edit, you will be able to see, hey, what are the links that are available? And, you'll also be able to edit each one of them. So let's say, for example, Azure, when I click on this, I get an option to either move up or move down or edit it, where I can go and say, hey, this is a URL and this is the URL that it should be. You can just go ahead and paste whatever address you want and what is the name that you want. Now, next I can create links here. So let me go ahead and create a sublink here. Now let's say I want to add something called a Cosmos DB. Okay, Cosmos DB. For now, I'm going to give just a temporary link out here. Now I'll just go paste it out here. Okay, and then I click on OK. Now look at this. Now it comes here. Now maybe I want to arrange this in alphabetical order. So I want to move this up. I can move this up. Whereas, yeah, so these both are good. So I want to. So once I'm done, I can go and save it. And once I save it, if I go and click on this, you can see that I get Cosmos DB out here. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and put in your link, and then you can just go ahead and either promote or demote your link. So let's say, for example, let me say I want to actually make let's say I want to move AWS in front of Azure. So if I just say move up and then click on save, now what would happen is now I have AWS in the starting, and then I have Azure, next to it. So I can do any promote and demote in this, from here itself. Now the other thing that I wanted to show you is, hey, maybe if you look at the links, I don't want, let's say, for example, Azure. I don't want to have a link for Azure Pass. I just want it to be like a header. Now, in this case, I can just go ahead and click on Azure Pass, go to Edit, and then just say, hey, okay, fine, just show me as a header. So it doesn't show as a link, so it would not confuse users to actually go and click on it. So now you can just see that. Oh, actually, I think it's just that it just shows like that, but it'll just show as a header for you. Okay. Now, so in this way, you can actually go and promote or demote or add new links. Now, the only limitation that I've seen with this is you can actually only down to 3 levels. So what does that mean? So let's say if I go to Azure and I have Azure as my first level, and then I have Azure PaaS or Azure SaaS. This is my second level, and then I have Microsoft 365. This is my third level. But if I want to actually go ahead and let's say, hey, under Microsoft 365, I want to configure, let's say, SharePoint Online, Exchange Online, Yammer below this one. No, that is not possible. So I can maximum do up to 3 levels within the navigation, within the out of the box navigation. So if we need to do 4 levels, then you will have to customize it. Okay. The next thing that I want to cover is, giving you what are the different mod. Now we showed now this one, what we call, this is called the mega menu. Okay. Now there is another menu option too. So if you go to the settings, change the look, go to navigation, you have something called the cascade look. So let's see what this cascade menu style is. Let's see if it saves. No, it didn't save. Oh yeah, it saved. Sorry. So in the cascade style, what you see is you don't see the complete menu, but actually only when you actually hover on the right, hover on the arrow marks, as only then you actually you'll be able to see the see the links. So that's the difference between the cascade style versus the mega menu style. Now the editing and everything is all just the same, so there's no change. You just edit and everything you do it out here, and then once done, you go ahead and just click on the save, and that's it. You're done with it. So hope you all enjoyed this simple video. Let me know if you have any comments. Until then, take care.